Hey folks, we're back, and I wanted to just show you the type of building that we are redoing. These are called Chicago Vernacular Architecture. In early 21st century, this is what they did here. They basically, uh, this would be a model. You cut and fold the paper together, and they come out with these models of paper and glue. So they built these around the turn of, basically what happened here was you'd have a level for the owner and then another level for a tenant to rent out. So this is not quite the one we have, but the migrants built these. And they didn't have the direction of our architect, and they did a pretty good job because I went in this building uh, and there was no moisture in it. So now we're going to continue our building here. So we have an opening here. So I'm going to go to what level do I want to go to here? I guess I can go to top of footing. Well, for the door, let's go to here, see what we can get in here. So I'm going to go architect, I'm going to go to structure, or architecture door. And I'm going to 36 by 84, and it's going to sit, well, maybe not on that level. Let's go to the grade. I'm going to place the door again. Okay, it'll go here. So the door will be right here. And then we've got some window openings. So what's happening here in the structural model, you're only going to see cased openings because what's happening is when you go into your architecture, see, this is not right, actually. So let's take this guy back. And I'm going to go to my top of footing, I think, that I were, and I'm going to place it here, my door. Yeah, it fits right there. So it should go all the way to the bottom level where the floor is. So yeah, that's right. That's where we want our door, and that's where it is. Now, what I want to do next, I want to put in some window openings here. And we're going to go back to that level. Let's go to grade this time. I think this might work here. And so now for the offset, let's just make this 0 because we're going to set right on grade line here. So, okay, it worked. But this guy is way over here. And what I want to do is make sure we got the right size. 24 by 24. Let's see if that looks like in 3D. I guess it works for now. Anyway, so let's go in there. We got a window. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Hell. I tell you what, I'm going to just pop these in because I don't want to make this video long. I'll fix mine later and you can do yours as well. Deal? I love it. Go back to grade. And then we had a window right here. I think it was about there for the basement. And then we had one here and another here. So we didn't get too much light in the basement areas. So if we go in our 3D view and have a look, so we've got our openings in our foundation. And then what we can do next is start on our floor framing. I think I might want to put that in another video because I don't know how long I've gone here. But yeah, okay, now what we can do now is, okay, we'll do this now while we're at it. We'll go in here, we'll place a beam because the beam went across here and there was another, believe it or not, an 8x8. I'm serious. Building seeing sound, no structural issues. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say structure, beam, and then, so I don't have any wood here, so again I have to go into my insert, load family. That's okay now. Come on. We got structural framing here. Go back. Structural framing. We go to wood. And Southern Pine and Western. I don't know what we got here. I'm gonna try this Southern Pine. Just to see what happens with this. What I know is I need an 8x8. The size just ain't okay. Well, maybe they are. They're not jiving too well because I'm gonna go with this one, and then I want to go into my structure and want to go beam, and for this practical purpose, I want to just go here, and I want to go over here in my properties dialog. I want 3D snapping on, but I need to get the levels correct. See what happens. We just pop it in here. Okay, now I want these to bear over the top of the column. That's what I saw when I was there. So I'm going to delete that out. And then I'm going to go with beam, 3D snapping, and then I want to go justification is going to be bottom. And I think that's about it for now. See what this looks like. Okay. So we're getting somewhere now. But anyway, I want to leave it here, and I want to put these guys in and start on the floor. So hey, everybody, thanks for watching my video. Hope everybody's well. And everybody, please be safe. And please subscribe. Thanks again, folks, and bye.